my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. I know, a video on Thursday. Well, I figured we had a video on Tuesday, so I'm gonna break it up and I'm gonna do this on Thursday because I gotta get ready. I have a lot to do, so I wanted to get a jump start on it and I set everything up. So I know you saw the title of the video. This is this is gonna be my last summer video for 2020. I mean, I know I'm still gonna enjoy the summer, but I am gonna start my fall decorating. I mentioned it before already, and I've been showing a lot of shopping hauls with fall decor and stuff. So now I'm just getting all ready to show. But before I do that, and I know a lot of you are gonna still enjoy the summer. A lot of my girls live all down south, and you're still gonna enjoy your summers. But up here, it is gonna start getting cooler come September. So I really want to start my fall decor. Okay. So today, first of all, tomorrow I'm gonna host a shrimp boil. Now, if you don't know what a shrimp boil is, it's when you take shrimp and corn and andouille sausage and Cajun spices. I mean, that's how I do it. And you boil it and you invite friends over and you just kind of have a casual dinner. But I'm going to do it Bella style. I'm going to do it up a little bit and I want to show you what I've come up with because it is so cute. So I'm not going to show you me doing the tablescape. I'm just going to take you over to the table and explain everything. And then I'm going to show you my buffet. Okay guys, this is my tablescape. I'm going to give you a closer look. Now I've invited some friends over and this is going to be the adults table. The kids and teenagers are going to sit somewhere else. They're going to sit in the backyard, more casual for them anyways. But I want to give you a really good look and I want to show you my centerpiece because I think it just turned out so cute and I'm really loving it. It's everything about the ocean, and I host a shrimp boil every year. Just before school starts, it's like a little ode to where I'm from. I like to host this for friends and just, you know, kind of end the summer off on a really good note. Okay, now you can see my plates setting. I have a turtle plate and a starfish plate on either plate setting. And you'll notice that I got blue and purple glasses. And you're probably thinking to yourself, the ocean with purple? Yes, and I'll show you why. I'm going to show you how I put together this plate setting. I started with the tablecloth. As you can see here, it's very nautical in feel. And then this woven placemat, and these you can find them pretty much anywhere now. I have them linked in my Amazon store if you're interested in that. The second thing that I added was this charger, and you've seen me use this quite a few times. I love this charger. I like the detail. I like the rusticness of it, and I like it paired with this because it gives it that kind of sand look. And here's our dinner plates. Now you could tell that the dinner plates have purple in them, and royal blue and light blue and some green. That's why I added my purple glasses. And I think the plates are really nice. I've added these really nice napkins, dinner napkins, and they match the tablecloth perfectly, and they're a really nice woven material, and I've just placed them long way on the place setting. And then on top of that, you got yourself a little starfish plate. So, and then this is a really nice nautical roping, and all these plates are melamine because you know this is supposed to it shrimp boil is a pretty casual affair, to tell you the truth. So I wanted something casual yet really really cute. Now what I did for my centerpiece, because I know a lot of you are gonna ask, guys, this is just, let me move the glasses over so I can show you. This is a pedestal that I have, and I added this greenery around it and the seashells that I've collected throughout the years, and these are more seashells here, and then this pretty light blue candle just to tie it all in. And then I'm gonna light it when my guests come, but I'm gonna show you the best part. So that's the table, and it's really casual, it's really nice. You know, it's really nice. But you see, sneak peek over there. I'm going to take you over there now. Okay, guys, what I've done is I've set up this little buffet, and I used my cookbook holder, and I wrote a menu out. So here's the menu. There's going to be shrimp boil, a summer salad, beer battered cod, Greek rice, and creme brulee with raspberries for dessert. So I wanted to add some decor. I just added these pretty candle holders, which I'm gonna light. And then I set out some platters. I got this really nice platter. Then I added some more interest with, um, a seashell kind of beachy centerpiece. And I got a whole bunch. Then I have, well, this is a crawfish platter, but we don't have any crawfish around here. So, but this is from, this is ancient. Now, this is ancient. This is brought from way back, God knows when. So I got this here, and then I added this lantern and that wreath. It's got a pretty candle in it, which I'm going to light. And then another little doodad, and then another platter, and then this little candle holder. And then I just placed it all on a runner that you can see here. And the runner, guys, is actually from Walmart. And so you can see here, and I got some paper napkins. And I'm also going to do some bottles of wine and some sweet tea for everyone, or sweet tea and lemonade, because that's how I like to drink my sweet tea. So yeah, that's my that's gonna be my my buffet. Okay, my sweet friends, I hope that gave you an inspiration to host a end of summer barbecue or shrimp boil or anything like that, maybe, or oysters. Those are my favorite. Those are my absolute favorite. Raw oysters. Oh my God. You give me raw oysters, you got my heart. I'm telling you. Those are my favorite. So I hope this gave you some inspiration to take all the stuff you got. If you have, you can do it barbecue style. This would be amazing if you hosted like a barbecue, but you just go a little bit out of the way, to make your guests feel that extra special. Now, I wish I could invite you all over for a shrimp boil, but then we'd do it really old school style, where we'd lay out newspaper on picnic tables and go at it, because that's the way you're really supposed to do it. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was fun for you to watch, as fun it was for me to make. I'm gonna head to my local fish market and pick up some fresh seafood and fresh shrimp. I like the big giant ones. I've already called and ordered, so I'm really excited to go get them. I want to wish you all a very, very, very happy weekend, because I will not be on Friday or during the weekend, but I will be back on Monday for our regular programming. And I think we're gonna do fall. I know, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna do fall, or I'm gonna show you what I have done in the dining room preparing for fall, because I've been working on the dining room for a while now. So hopefully I'll get it exactly the way I like it, and then I can show you that. If not, it'll be an all-on fall video, like a decorate with me. So anyways, have a beautiful, beautiful weekend. do something you love, have fun with your friends and family, set your tables up as cute as you could possibly be, use all the stuff you have, just have fun with it. And guys, now's a great time if you kind of like this sort of thing. In the stores, all this summer stuff will be super, super discounted. So if you like this kind of stuff, now's the time to go buy. Anyways, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. Bye, guys.